Hello, my name is Shahzad Ahmed. I'm the international best-selling author, a keynote speaker, and a real estate coach and mentor. I have been investing in real estate for over 9 years. I have helped hundreds of families and individuals invest in real estate and make passive income. I have trained thousands of people through my live seminars, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching session. If you are someone who is watching me very first time, let me introduce myself. By profession, I am a mechanical engineer and worked for automotive industry for over 20 years. While I was on the job, I wanted to be an entrepreneur, and in pursuit of my dream, I invested in several businesses such as pizza business, carpet cleaning business, forex, stocks, few online businesses, mortgage business, and I failed in all of them successfully. After coming to real estate industry, I realized there is a huge potential for every single of us. An average person can make money. A pro can make money. And also, the best part about real estate investment is you can have passive income. I'm a big fan of passive income because having money is good, but having passive income is even better. Passive income provides you peace of mind. Whether you're working or not working, while you're sleeping, money is being made. Every single month you get a check. Passive income is the way to go. Passive income can make you free. Before I start talking about the topic that I have chosen for today or this video, I want to tell you that God has given me the second chance. Actually, second life, I would say, because in November 2015 I got a heart attack and I survived. And I promise you, every time I release a video on a topic, I try to cover the most important points. I mean, I can make this video for an hour, but the point is I want to give you best of the best, the point that you really look into. And if you follow these points, you'll be successful. You will make less mistakes and you will have results in no time. Today, I'll talk about how to avoid mistakes when investing in US real estate. This is an important topic and has been asked by so many of my clients and members. I'll touch on 3 most important points when investing in US real estate. The mistake number 1 people do is they buy properties which they haven't seen. They go online, they find the properties with the lowest price possible, and they buy those properties. And what happens is, when you go there and check that property, you will find that yes, the picture that you had seen on the internet were okay, but those were few pictures only. When you go inside the property is absolutely garbage. In order to renovate or in order to bring it to rentable condition, you need a huge amount of money. In some cases, it's not even worth. It's better to demolish that property than renovate from top to bottom. Number 2, sometimes you find out there is a lien and taxes on that property that you have to pay. Like these 2 major things within that first mistake are enough to stop you doing it. Number 3, you need to know that the water bills are always attached to the property. For some reason, if no one has paid water bills for last 3 years, you have to pay. So you have bought a very cheap property, but then you add the cost of renovation and the liens and taxes and water bills or any other claims against that property, you'll be responsible as a new buyer. So never buy a property which you haven't seen and have gone through the due diligence of that property. Mistake number 2, you pay the higher price than the market value. This is something you will often do if you're not working with professionals. People who have done it, people who you can trust, people who can find the cons in that area. you end up paying more of the property, and then on top of that, if there is a renovation required or something else, then that brings the cost even higher. Mistake number 3. You don't have a power team in place. What I mean is, in order to run a successful real estate investment business, you have to have your own power team. Your contractors, your realtors, your accountant, your home inspector. These are the main ingredients of your power team. These are the main people of your power team. Unless you have a good power team in place, the chances are that every time you have an issue with the property in terms of any repairs, in terms of any legal issues, in terms of comms or price of the property or selling and buying, you will have an issue. So a trusted power team should be in place before you start your real estate investment business. So in summary, mistake number 1, buy a property which you haven't seen. Number 2, you pay higher price of the property. Number 3, you do not have a power team in place. I'm going to have a webinar in near future. The topic of the webinar is how to make $500 to $5,000 a month in passive income without touching a hammer. So this is going to be a very interesting webinar. I have put a lot of information in that webinar, and I'm going to share my tricks and strategies which are going to be very powerful. Not only that, I'll show you exactly where to look for those properties and buy those properties and have enough passive income every month coming to you. Don't miss this webinar. I'm going to send the information about the webinar. I promise to you, when you attend that webinar, by the end of that webinar, you will have a clear understanding exactly how to invest in real estate and make $500 to $5,000 a month in passive income. Stay positive, stay blessed.